Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can join the AI Discord for Midjourney. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Discord. And once you're logged into your Discord account, you need to open up the browser and search for Midjourney. Now click on the first link. And from here, you need to click on the Join the Beta. This will open up your Discord application. Just click on Join Midjourney. And there you go. And now you have joined the Midjourney AI in Discord. You can check out different channels they have provided. You can also select your roles. You can browse your channels. You can participate in their discussion. I suggest you read all of these instructions that are provided by the mods. If you want to look at the other people's works, you can go to Home and you can scroll down to see the work that is done by other people. Also, you can click on Showcase and click on the Paintovers. You can see these pictures are made by other people and many more. And there you go. And now you have successfully joined the Midjourney AI Discord. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.